I'm gonna make this funny. Hello, this is my hold on. Hello, this is my video. Hold on, let me start over because my words keeps mixing up. Hello, listen up. I'm going to make this funny video, and this is my funny video on my YouTube channel. Okay, and listen what I have to say. I'm going to do the funniest can't stop sneezing video. Yep. And then I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna be sneezing in 12,000 hours, and it's gonna be really funny. Yep. And I think I'm gonna make it for my sister Amy. Excuse me, works at the daycare at the FBC in Creedmoor. Excuse me. And I'm gonna make it for my friends I know from the daycare, works at the FBC FBC in Creedmoor with my sister Amy. Yep, I'm gonna make it for my friends Caitlin King, Caitlin King, Anna, April, Monty Lawrence, Carol, and Teresa. Yep, and I'm gonna be doing all that funniest sneezing. Yep, can't stop sneezing. Sorry, I'm gonna do the funniest can't stop sneezing video, and I'm gonna pretend that I'm gonna be sneezing in 12 hours. Yep, and it's gonna be funny. Yep, watch this. Watch this. Hold on. I can't stop sneezing. Yep. Well, that's my funny video on my YouTube channel of me doing the funniest can't stop sneezing in 12 hours. Yep. I hope you enjoyed watching my funny video on my YouTube channel of me doing the funniest can't stop sneezing in 12 hours. Yep. And it's on my YouTube channel. Okay? I got to go. Take care. Peace out. Bye bye. Remember, enjoyed watching my funny. Hold on. Remember, enjoyed watching my funny video on my YouTube channel. Yep, of me doing the funniest can't stop sneezing in 12 hours. Okay, I got to go. Take care. Peace out. Bye bye. Bye bye.